I'm in this adorable town of Crete, Illinois, about an hour outside of Chicago. It's one of my favorite areas in the country, the Midwest. I grew up in the Midwest, so it's familiar, it's easy, it's a vibe. And I'm excited to meet Sharon, my newest winner, and get to know her story. What's the tea? Give me all the info. I see you.
Oh, look at us.
Oh my God, in pink.
You're absolutely gorgeous.
Oh my gosh, say more. This is so cute around here. Do you live here? Where do you live?
In Chicago.
Oh my goodness, that's a change.
In Chicago.
This is exciting.
It is.
Been here a few times, but not much. It was fun. Chicago is always it's an intense city.
Oh,
what did you do there?
Going on. I was a Chicago police officer.
Wow.
Yes. 34 years on the department.
Did you love it?
I did.
And you know what? With so much wonderful service you've given to the community here in Chicago, it has repaid you back.
Did
Tell
it?
me how.
I won the lottery.
Congratulations.
Thank
That's
you.
amazing.
It's called 2020.
Okay.
But it has a progressive jackpot.
And how much did you win?
$926,000, I believe.
That's real nice.
It was.
What's your house like now, right now, in Chicago?
Very small, cramped, and just, I need to get away
Away from the city?
from the city.
All right, tell me about this dream house here in the Crete area.
3 to 5 bedrooms,
She's going big.
3 baths.
Why?
I have 9 grandchildren, and there are 8 girls, so we need bathrooms.
Decent yard?
I would love a good yard because we do a good barbecue.
How much money are you gonna give me?
Between 300 and 350.
I love that.
Yeah.
I don't know anything about the area.
Neither do I.
Are you scared that I don't know anything about it?
No, hey, this is our discovery together.
Isn't that fun?
Yes.
Mistwood Trail is all about the property. Sits on over an acre of delicious Midwest yumminess. Bring me in, put out the picket fence, and call the neighbors over. We're having a barbecue. Hi, Gorge.
Interesting.
Look how cute the house is, right?
Yeah.
The Mistwood Trail has 5 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. It's over 2,500 square feet, sits on 1.1 acres. Amazing. And the price is fantastic, $269,900. Like so far under budget.
Oh my goodness.
Isn't this adorbs? You ready for this?
I'm ready.
Come on in.
Oh, wow. Oh, I love the built-ins. That is
cute.
beautiful, and the color.
Yeah.
I absolutely love it. Yes.
So
yes.
a bedroom and a bathroom attached.
Oh, okay.
Try to look through stuff. A lot of personalization.
Yes.
Good-sized bedroom.
Very quaint. Yes.
Very quaint.
Very good.
All right, let's continue.
Beautiful.
There's an adjoining bathroom for the main bedroom.
Oh, very nice.
Yeah. And another one at the back of the house for guests. All right, come on in. We have a great sized kitchen.
Wow, this is sizable. This is nice. Windows all the way around.
There's windows everywhere.
This is great. A lot of sunshine, absolutely. A double sink, something I don't have. And oh, I wouldn't mind washing dishes in here. This is the $1 million view as far as I'm concerned.
I mean, that's a lot of space back
That's
there.
a lot of
Yeah.
space. I can't wait to get out there.
There's more space inside to look at first. There are 2 bedrooms upstairs.
Well, this will be great for my office.
Love that.
Yeah.
There's a lot of stuff up here too, but once this and the basement is emptied, there will be a ton of space for the whole family to visit. Especially outside.
Look at this yard. Wow. Wait a minute. All of this belongs to this house?
All of that.
This is enough space for a swimming pool,
Oh, yes.
a hot tub,
Talk to me.
and an outdoor kitchen,
Yes, please.
and a horse.
Should we wander this way? Come here, my love. You like the property?
I do. It's a contender.
Good.
It's definitely,
I love
this is a selling point.
It is a huge selling
love
point.
this.
A fire pit
Oh,
here.
Yeah.
Could you see yourself here?
I could see myself here. This
Good.
yard is beautiful.
Is it a lot?
It's a lot.
A lot.
It's a lot.
Want to look at something a little
absolutely.
smaller for tomorrow, for his yard-wise?
Yard-wise, yes.
Okay. Why not?
Yeah.
It can't hurt to look. Horseman Hills is in a neighborhood, and I wanted to show her this because it's got a great vibe. It's a large home. It's really easy to take care of. Still a really nice yard. When you're a city girl, this would be the country, so I get it. Here's the house.
Beautiful.
She's cute, right?
Yeah.
So this is called a garrison house. It has a breast. Do you see that? Love that.
Okay.
It's a split-level home, very common in the Midwest. So Horseman Hills has,
Horseman
again,
Hills.
5 bedrooms,
Oh.
3 bathrooms, yes,
Nice.
please. Almost 2,300 square feet.
Okay.
Price is still great at $310,000, my
Oh.
love, shall we?
Oh my goodness.
Still quite a bit under budge.
Very good.
Who knew?
Who knew?
All right, my love, come on in. We'll start with the upstairs and we'll go to the living room. So very common layout. This fits 8.
Oh.
Easy.
I love it.
And here's the kitchen,
Oh my goodness. I love this half moon counter here.
right? It's unique.
That is gorgeous. Oh, this here. I love these.
Good.
Good lights.
Oh, you
I
like a
love
little
them lot.
bling, I'm noticing.
I do.
Like a little bling.
I do. Yeah.
I love that.
And then it says Sharon.
I love Sharon. I'm getting to know Sharon.
I love David.
Oh my God, I don't blame you. Up here is a perfect bathroom. And a total of 4 bedrooms, each with their own quirks. Imagine, so
I
it's
like
big.
the mirrors. No. I just like the mirrors.
Just leave it at that. There's one more bedroom in the basement, another super cute bathroom, and even a gym. House is super entertaining, isn't it?
It is.
So much smaller property than we saw yesterday.
Yes.
Are you a gardener?
Look at it. I mean, it's gorgeous. I could learn. I can absolutely
Well, you don't like
learn.
bees, so I don't think it's
I
a
don't
vibe.
like bees,
Yeah.
but I love it.
Good.
Fresh air.
Okay, as far as tomorrow,
Yes.
what can I do for you?
A little more, y'all.
A little more, like you do from the biggest yard to the smaller one.
Yes.
So we'll go a little happy medium.
Yes.
So I'm taking her here to Spice Bush Field. This is by far 100% a neighborhood I vibe with. Before you get into the neighborhood, you see farms, you see donkeys and horses and fields and barns. Oh my, this is the country. Look how cute this is.
Oh, this is gorgeous.
The country is countrying here.
Yes.
Do you like this
I
neighborhood?
do.
This house, Spice Bush Fields,
Okay.
it's got 5 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms, almost 4,500 square feet. Sits on 3/4 of an acre.
Okay.
Want to hear the price?
Yes.
$349, my love. 3-car garage. Do we
Oh,
need
wow.
cars?
Yes, maybe even a motorcycle.
You're that
I
girl.
don't live on the wild side.
Well, you were a cop. That you have to be a little wild to be a
Little
cop.
wild, yes.
That's so funny. Come on in and look at this gem.
Oh, wow.
Isn't this yummy?
This is beautiful.
So good,
Oh,
right?
my goodness, this is gorgeous.
Let's get into it. Cute little seating area. Now, I know you love a big kitchen.
Absolutely. Oh, my.
Take it all in.
I can
Oh.
spin and not hit anything.
Twirl, my love, twirl.
This is great.
Double ovens.
Double oven.
Do you have gas in your house right now?
Oh, because I was going to tell you a story. But yes.
You do? Okay, good.
Yes.
So this is, I think, our first one with gas
Oh, great.
range over here.
Great. I know how to cook on that.
Good. Great dining area here.
Yes.
Another dining room here.
Oh, great.
An amazing family room here with a fireplace.
Oh.
I know.
Is that wood burning?
Yes.
Yes.
This house, because it was about the 90s, goes on and on
Oh
and
my-
on. Shared bathroom with this
Lovely.
bedroom and the guests.
Yes.
The great thing about this bedroom is that this is not the main bedroom. It's just first floor living. So when you do not want to walk up and down the stairs,
Yes.
you have this.
Wonderful.
All right, so here we go upstairs. I love this staircase. I'd be very angry if you changed it, because this is
I
the
love
type of
it.
architecture that's in style now.
absolutely love
I
it.
love it. So we have 3 bedrooms up here and 2 bathrooms. This is the first of our guest rooms.
This is a really big room.
It's huge. That's a king-size bed. Lots of space.
Yes.
We're gonna go into the main bedroom, my darling.
Oh, I love the ceiling.
I know. It's so vast and yummy.
I love it. It's beautiful.
Good. The main bathroom is super private, and the guest bathroom will be big enough for at least a few granddaughters to share. I don't need to be rushing you, but we have a lot still to look at. And plus, we haven't even seen the outside yet. And there is a completely finished basement that just warms my Midwestern heart.
This is awesome.
Isn't this amazing?
Yes.
I'm gonna take you on a tour.
Okay.
Little exercise moment here.
Alrighty.
Bar.
Bar.
Dining table over here. Another bedroom.
Another bedroom.
Uh-huh. I don't know what you can do. You can be all fun in here.
Well, I like
No one's
this
gonna hear
bedroom.
anything. This bedroom's cute, right?
Yeah. Oh, wait a minute. That's not the yard here, is it?
It is. It's almost as big as the first house. Sorry, I couldn't help myself.
This is amazing.
Isn't this beautiful?
And I can still do the pool.
You can do all of it.
I am totally overwhelmed. This
Well,
is a big house.
If you weren't, I would be concerned.
Okay.
Or I think you would be lying, because you're coming from a very small apartment.
I've got some nice choices.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to think about this.
Yeah. Are you ready for this?
I am so ready.
Your life is about to change, Miss
It
Thing.
is.
I don't think
Change
people...
for the better.
We saw some fun houses, all very different. They're killing me.
You want to know?
Yeah, I do.
My choice is Ice Bushfield.
You better have chose that one. It's the best house ever. That is a great, not just a great property, but a great neighborhood.
Yes.
What a blessing.
It is.
You're a blessing.
Because one of my partners from the department loves you like I love you. Got this for you.
Oh my gosh, hilarious. It's so cute.
Yes.
Does this mean I have to behave?
Oh, no,
Oh,
no.
okay.
We don't even behave. No. Absolutely not.
Yay.
Overall, this was the best decision. What I love most is the space on the inside.
We're here.
Oh, my goodness! I have family coming today. You guys mind just going out and getting that grill started for me?
No problem.
Oh.
Congratulations again.
Thank you. My children are coming, my little nieces and nephews, friends. My grandbaby. Gee, you look so cute. People that I love. Yes.
Yay!
David was so honest with me and made me realize that I put in 34 years at my job. I deserve to win the lottery. Hey, where are your teeth? What happened to your teeth? They're missing. And buy this beautiful home and make a new friend out of David. David is the best, absolute best.
Awesome.